Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy F56 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first connect your Samsung Galaxy F56 5G smartphone to the laptop and PC with the help of USB cable. Okay, now I'm going to connect it to my laptop with the help of this USB cable. Just connected. As you can see, it is successfully connected. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together, and when the screen turns off, release and press and hold the volume up and power button together, and after 3 to 4 seconds release it and unplug the cable. So as you can see, it will send you in Android recovery mode. Here you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to select. So you can see reboot system now, wipe data factory reset and power off is available. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. So as you can see, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data stored on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. Now go to factory data reset and confirm it. And you can see on bottom, data wipe complete. So you can see now the factory reset is successfully completed. And now simply, you can see simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset, when it asks for password, use the previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. And after hard reset, might take some time to boot up the device. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy F56 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.